Hello Leo, this will be your rest of the month reading for September from today to 30th of September. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If you have in your chart in your birth chart actually, if any Leo, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go vice versa or interchangeable. So take it however it resonates with you. If this resonates, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's start your reading. High Priestess, Seven of Swords, Justice, Eight of Cups, the Hierophant, Hanged Man, Six of Wands, and bottom of the deck we have Chariot card. So first of all, I will tell you about the things you are dealing with in this particular time period. So you might be dealing with so many things in this relationship in this period of time, because there are so many major arcana here. Chariot we have, Hangman, Hierophant, High Priestess, and this Justice card and Libra card basically. So there are so many of the card. So there will be a lot of things will be done in this period of time with your relationship. So something major is going to happen. First of all, I will tell you about the signs present here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius we do have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius we have. And with this Hangman we have the Pisces, we do have Taurus, and we have Libra card, as well as we do have Pisces. So you might be dealing with Pisces or Cancer or a Taurus as well. Okay, so Sagittarius also can be. Okay, so let's see that what is on the bottom of the deck. So we have the Chariot card. That means you are right now irresistible. Okay, you are made for victory and you will be victorious. You are on the right mode now. Okay, and you are in charge basically. So you know how to deal with this, and you are going forward about it. And you are not right now you are not listening to anybody, and even if somebody gives you some suggestions or something, you are not taking their suggestions, and you are anyway going to do it whatever you want to do right now. So something is major there. Okay, as I already told you, because these major arcanas are keep on coming, like Tower, Judgment again. See, all major arcana. So something major will happen, and this will be, maybe this will be very uncomfortable for you with this time period, but it will change you from bottom of your heart. Okay, so the Tower is there. That means something that you were just escaping out, now it's the time that universe will take charge. Okay, so Tower is there. That means something is broken up, something is destroyed, something is no longer the way it was. Okay, so Tower, because the relationship you were dealing with, though that relationship was not having good I can say foundation or something, maybe, that you meant to be together, but that particular relationship, that time when it was started, it was not um, founded very well, basically. Okay, I would say. So judgment is here. That means you will release all those your ways that you were dealing with before, and this person has made you do this. Basically, you didn't want to change. Now you trying to change yourself. Okay, not with them. Actually, you want to release those things. Okay, you want to release their drama, not trauma, actually drama. Okay, so I will see in these cards, then the picture will be clear to you. So here we have high priestess energy. You are very intuitive right now. You don't um, show them what you have in your mind now. Okay, so they are very restless right now because you know so much about them, and you are not giving a single gesture towards them. So this is actually making them very uncomfortable. So here you are in your power, basically high priestess mode. So you what you know actually from high priestess, it's the seven of swords. So this is a deception card. So this person has decepted you before, and maybe a third party situation, and you knew that from maybe from other people, that this person is actually there is a deception in this relationship. Some other people told you, and you knew from your intuition as well. Okay, so we have Libra card, justice. So justice will be served to you. So justice card is actually giving you a closure that you wanted, basically. So here we can see the breakup with this person, and you want to be free, and universe is making you free with this person. For some people, um, there is a divorce if you are in a married situation. Okay, so here we can see that the karma has played their cards now, and karma is actually favoring you now. And I can see that you are walking away because you loved this person so much, and they refused to give the same towards you. So now you are going towards the true love of your life, that you don't know right now who is your true love, but you know that at some point of time you will meet this person that truly loves you and will make you happy, will make you spiritually growth will be happening towards this person. Means I can see that this person is a very spiritual person which is coming towards you, and this person will make your life spiritual as well. They want to be happy, they want you to be happy as well. So I can see that this person wants to marry you in future, and you are also seeing that you will have a good future with somebody in future. Maybe right now it's not revealed to you, but in future it will be revealed to you. Okay, so here we have some spiritual card. Again a spiritual card, hangman. So I can see that now your perspective about life has been changed. Now you see everything very clearly, because the people that betrayed you before have not left you like that only. You know now what to do and how to deal with these kind of people. So you have a new perspective of life now. Okay, hangman. So right now I can see that you are on the center point. Okay, you are center of attraction right now, and people admires you. I can see in the September month, in the last of the September month, I can see that so many people are approaching you because you are very attractive person, and they know that now you are single person, so they want to offer you something, and they actually admire you basically for your whatever you have in your nature and all. Okay, so let's see what is the outcome. The moon. So right now universe don't want to tell you about what is the outcome, but you have to wait actually. Here we have three of wands, that means you have to wait for some time for that person to come into your way. That I already told you that this person, maybe a Taurus, will be coming to you, towards you. So you should have to wait for some time, so these things will happen to you, because here we have three of wands. You have all the wands but not fourth wand. Fourth wand will be yours when this person will come towards you. Okay, so four of wands is a marriage card, as you already know that marriage is about to happen. Okay, but you don't know this person yet. Maybe in future you will meet them. So universe don't want to tell you about the person right now, because it is completely hidden, because you want to universe want you to go through this process first, then only it will be revealed to you. So right now it is an illusion, right now it is not clear right now, but it will be. Okay, so let's see what Queen of Moon Oracle wanted to tell you about peace. So universe is saying be at peace and keep yourself pure. Your heart should be pure. You should not be aggressive, or you should not be in a position that you want to blame somebody, or you want to take revenge about somebody. So universe is saying just keep yourself pure, keep your hearts pure. Okay, so here we have peace. So universe is saying that you should be keep yourself calm and peaceful, and that's why these things will give you a very good perspective of your life. Okay, so this was your reading, Leo. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, then you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.